let's get started. Oh, I've already been, alright, I forgot to put on the boot up screen so everyone got to see me, you know, tweet out and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I usually do whilst we're waiting for stream. So yeah, that was silly of me. Anyway, I do apologise, I am eating at the moment. Hopefully I've got, yep, I've got some stuff. And Pip, how are you? Alright, give me 2 seconds, Pip. I've got someone to show you. I've only got the camera off because I'm eating. We caught the stray. Whoop, 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 whoop. There you go. A bit timid at the moment. So yeah, this is the stray that's been hanging around my mum's place. So yeah, yeah, very cute, very skinny. Yeah, so I'm constantly putting him down next to his food. He has been eating, which is good. Oh, incoming. Oh, incoming. So, yeah. Now I've got to remember. That's part of the REST framework. No wonder. This window. And Ivanhoe, how are you? You just missed the cat. So we caught the stray. He's at my place at the moment. He's settling in. This is he's only been here just under 24 hours. So yeah, he's still very timid, but he's allowing me to pick him up. Alright. Yeah, we were going to fix up all of this. Yeah, he's super skinny at the moment, but we're going to feed him up. We're going to take him to the vet once he's sort of settled and isn't as skitsy. And we're going to process, we're going to try and get the vet to contact the previous owners, see if they want him back or transfer title or whatever it is, ownership. So, yeah. Alright, we were doing stuff. Oh, nice. 59.34, nice. I am. I thought I was on my stream manager. Looks like I wasn't. All right, cool. And ads in progress at the moment. Not that anyone missed anything. So yeah, excuse the camera being off. I know it's on here, but I'm currently eating. I might be sweating because it's a bit hot, and this particular dish has dragon's breath in it. So, yeah. I grew some chilies. And it's hot. I'm enjoying it though. Mixed in with food, it isn't as spicy. It's still quite hot, not gonna lie, but not as hot as eating a slither of it. So, yeah. 30 more seconds to go. Okay, I'm gonna quickly solve this cube. All right. Oh, nope, nope, nope. That was meant to be that. Yep, alright, cool, I'll muck that up. And welcome back everyone, and Pitvin for the steal. We all saw that. We all saw that steal. Yes, so talking about what's in the food. This is what's in the food. Dragon's breath. Look at that. 2.48 million Scoville units. I'm not gonna lie, these are hot for me. So, yeah. And I've got a friend who wanted me to candy some, so I'll candied up some. I'm looking forward to seeing him eat it. So, it was the record holder for a little while, but it's been surpassed by PepperX. Oops, I didn't turn on. So we go list all objects, go to the Kanban board, link object, select project. We don't have anything coming through at the moment. Oh, cheers, thank you. Yeah, I had to cut down one of my sunflowers yesterday because I realized all the seeds were popping out. I was like, oh, it's time for it to come down. And Matt Bird Quest, how are you going? How was the rest of your stream today? I got pulled into so many more meetings during the day, which is not always fun. Alright, I'm just gonna redo this. So, we've got this come through. It's not in the structure we want it just yet, but that's perfectly fine. Getting stuff done is always good. Yeah. So yeah, I don't want it in that sort of format. So if I actually duplicate this tab, let's actually move away into, let's say, a project. These are similar requests, but not quite. So we kind of want it in this sort of format. So yeah, it should be easy. All right. So going over here, we've got the data results. Yada yada. Data results. Now, sorry, my brain is booting up. I just need to remember where I was with everything. Whilst I'm enjoying the spiciness of the food. It is very spicy. I'm enjoying it. All right. We have NearBeach, we've got the views, we've got the search, and we've got a search object. So having a look at the search object, all right, cool, get that. We're creating a all right. I see how this is done. And we can do the same thing. Because we're only getting one object and so forth like that. We'll be cloning this to be getting it, there'll be two and stuff like that soon. In fact, I'm just wondering if we should clone it now. Oh, I'm just banging stuff around on my desk, don't mind me. Okay. Oh, before I do that, let's give a good think to the naming conventions and all of that kind of fun stuff. So we don't need that one. We don't need that one open. For sure we don't need that one. And good morning, AMD Bell 8. And Bell 8, sorry, I read that wrong. How are you going? Hopefully you're going well. Kanban information link list. So yeah, I hope you're going well. I'm trying to remember where I was with this thing. Okay, we don't need to do what we're doing with the lookup object above. We'll move this data into the search class instead, just leave it through it. Yeah, all right, cool. So what will we call our search class? I honestly think we should call it like it is. Like so. So we're importing what we need. Don't need that breakpoint. That's all fine and dandy. This will be called Kanban link list. We're going to copy, if I just yank that, put that over there. We're on 387. Now, that won't be that, that will be called object setup. Same as this one. Except we don't need that one anymore. We've got results. So yeah, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. We're using the search object form. Or are we? That's not the thing I want. Yeah, we're using the search object form. We've got the search results. Array of objects, going through there. Get single object, yep, all right, cool. And that should almost do it. We just need to edit this one little function to match what we're doing over here. So, object name not in self.object setup, return none. Cool, yep, that's perfect. Data equals self object, object. All right, that's just shortening everything. So data object stop filter is deleted. All right, so we've got object assignment over here. I'm also going to put search object over here as reference. And I'm going to move this closer so you guys can see what I'm referencing. Okay, cool. So on the right is the existing code. So we're going through, we've got object assignment results, we're finding everything with the user group which the user has access to, which is stock standard sort of stuff. That's just us being like, all right, cool, these are all the objects the user can access. All right, determine if the user is not delimited by groups. All right, so straight off the bat, include all groups, we don't need that. And then we've got object assignment filtered, is deleted, group ID, that's all the stuff which we do anyway. So we want this in here. So I'm just gonna put that down there. I developed add-ons for Jira, so it's interesting to see open source PM systems. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, I'm slowly building it. Hopefully it becomes useful for more people soon. So yeah. All right, results. We've got that. So this is the limiting of it. So the ID field equals get ID field. Now we can essentially just shove what's in here up into here. Not a problem. Because we would just do that. So, my guess is yes, let's do that. So, 85 to 91, that's 6 plus, let's add 2, so there we go. So I've added that up there. And then down here, ID field equals object name. Okay, yep. I'll probably put that up at the top. And what we're gonna do is we're going to put this in here. So we just need these 3 lines because it'll fit in perfectly fine. And then we don't need these lines here. Include closed. No, we're not including the closed at all. We're only including those. All right, we're not dealing with requests for change. We do want to exclude these. So I'm gonna put that up here, like so. And then what we want to exclude anything with the higher order status closed. So every single object, task projects, requirements, requirement items, so forth and so forth and so forth will have a higher order status. And that is something that gets applied to the custom status. So you can create your own sort of statuses in here, and then yeah, the higher order status sort of goes, all right, cool, this will be dealt with if it's closed, this will be dealt with if it's blocked, and so forth like that. Yeah, we just need to put that in that one little tiny thing. Yeah, we'll still need to do this. And this. Now I'm pretty sure we're sending exclusionary data up. Yeah, we are. So we still need that. I'm not going to change that. That's perfectly fine. Destination page, that should all be fine now. And once we get the database into a generic sort of state, this will be removed and so forth like that. So yeah, that's definitely coming on the planning. So yeah. Now, what I've got to get this object to sort of be in the same shape as this. So we're going to do that right now. So we've got project, we've then got fields, and there's certain fields that will match up. So we've got the ID, now that will be project ID, easy done. The title will be the project name, and the status will be the project status under project status. Easy done. The object will be the same. The title will be that. Yep. And then we've got parent in here. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think we're needing it. And then I've just got to do that for the other ones very, very quickly. So we've got fields, we've got the ID, so this will be task ID. This will be title, will be task short description, if memory serves me correctly, and then the status, and then task status, task status. Yeah, so once again, when we get the database in a generic sort of way, a lot of this will not need to be I don't need to do a lot of this. So requirement, fields. In fact, I'll tell you what. It's requirement item. Easy done. Because the data should be almost the same. Now it's slightly different. The reason being is some things in here we don't need, like the Kanban board. And later on, we'll have a, yeah, we'll do this a little bit differently. Now, if we go back to Kanban views, a lot of what we've just done here, we can now sort of delete. That's Kanban information, that's Kanban linked list. So we should have the linked list and all that kind of stuff in here now. Now, if I go search views, I'm going to show you how this is set up. Search data. This is how it's sort of done. So we get the form, we paste the form in, we double check that the form is valid. We always do that. And then we get the results from search objects and we just return the results like that. Pretty stock standard, simple sort of stuff. So we're going to be doing the exact same thing in here. So with the Kanban views, Kanban linked list, we've got that, we're all happy with that. And then all we need to do is, I'm just going to put like that. Now we're going to need to put this, we'll need to include this. I'm just going to cheat and click on that. Easy done. Whoops. And that's pretty much, should be it. I'm going to delete all of that. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Because, yeah, the method name was the same thing. And there's a big no-no. So we're going to wait a little while. Comes back. We go link object. Just deleting this. I'm gonna click on project. Oh, we've got a problem. Not too much of an issue. This is where we are going to put in the debug. So it passes that. Easy done. I think it's broken in here. Yeah, it's definitely broken in there. It's not a problem. So what we want to do, get rid of that one. We want to find it in here. So I'm going to put a breakpoint in here. And I'm just going to refresh. And delete all of that. Can do that. We've hit this. So we're going to go forward. We're going to go forward. So we've got the single object as project. Boom, there's that one line. All right. So we know it's broken in here. So I'm going to put a breakpoint on there. I'm just going to resend that. It'll do the same thing. It hits here. It skips over that because, hey, it works perfectly fine. We've got project at the ID field. ID field is project ID. Easy done. We do have data. All right. Now, this is going to take a while. So I'm skipping directly to here. Because that should work perfectly fine. The error might be in here. We never reached that other breakpoint. So yeah, the error is somewhere in here. So I'm going to put a breakpoint right here. I'm going to make sure we get rid of all the other breakpoints. I'm going to right hand click and I'm going to go resend. Whoa. So we're here. In fact, I've spot an issue which we can quickly fix up here. Oh, I hate when I fat fingered. Okay. So I'm gonna comment out some of these. And we're going to play and see what actually happens. Now, it's not going to get us the correct data. Things are going to go wrong. But what I want it to do is to get to here. So I'm just going to hit play. Oh, I have to hit reload. Let's hit link object. Let's hit project. So we've hit this. I'm just going to hit play. No. Objects. Data objects. Oh, we've got it as object. That's an easy fix. So yeah, it was just a typo. So objects, 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 and objects. All right, cool. So if I go back down, what I want to do, comment out those lines. Oh, sorry, excuse me. We want to wait a little while. We just want to hit reload. And then we want to go link object, and then we want to go project. And then we want to, I just want to hit play. All right, play. Went to the next one. And we got data. All right, I'm going to delete all my breakpoints. So yeah, there's our data. That's how we want it to be set up. And the reason why we want it set up like that is consistency. Now, we've had this in other places where we get data from the search function, we pull it back, and we've got it laid out like this. Oh, the project will all be named accordingly, the requirement will be named accordingly, and tasks will be named like that too. This opens up the fact that we can then deal with multiple different objects at once. Which is awesome. All right, source, components. I think I finished eating, so I'm just going to put back my webcam. And we'll hide the other two. Welcome. Almost finished eating. And then modules, wizards, and then new Kanban link wizard. And hi, Ash-ish, sorry. How are you going? Repo link. There we go. Okay, so we hit the usual link. We're not going to be changing that just yet. You're doing good. Oh, that's great to hear. When we move to the API, this will be moved into the API. Which is why we're doing the class and all that kind of stuff too. All right. So, when we get the response, oh, what data do we need? This is the thing. We'll need to change all this data. Oh, this is actually, no, this is adding link. Sorry, my bad. This is the wrong one. Get objects. Going down here, we've got the Kanban link list. Once again, awesome. And then this object results, response.data. This object, response.data. All right. So this will actually change now. In fact, oh, all right, ad break, cool. So yeah, now that we've got the class all set up, I'm quite happy moving ahead to sort of getting this all fixed up now. And yeah, once again, when we go to the API, a lot of this will be easily moved now, and also the fact that we could potentially sort of combine a couple of endpoints together now when we get this sort of class stuff up, so that way we could be like, all right, cool, when it's this, we use this, and so forth like that. So yeah. All right. almost finished this cube. Look at it go. It's getting solved. It's pretty easy. Oh, I've locked in on a place like that. That's not fun. Oh, there we go. And then, oh, this is done now. Ta-da. How is that? 15 seconds left. All right. And don't forget to drop everyone, exclamation point, drop followed by your favorite emoji. I'm doing shock max. Okay, welcome back everyone. Look at shocked max go. He's going for it. He's got, oh, 83.86. Nice. All right, so this is going to be all different now. Because now that we've got a search functionality in, we're not dealing with the filtered results. We're actually dealing with the proper results. When this comes back, sure, we've got response.data, and then what we need to do is we need to, oops. We need to do this dot object model underscore, oh, it'll just be object model. I don't need any of this. Well, there goes the chicken. There we go. There we go. Oh, you did make it on. You did make it on. So we should be sending the object results over. Now, what I want to do, so there's our object results. There's our object filter results. I'm getting rid of them. All right. So, yep, that's the same. That's all the same. We haven't put our code back in here. We'll be doing it very shortly. But what I want to do is I just want to put in object results. I just want to see it before we do anything. So I want to test out the search functionality. So I'm just waiting a couple of seconds and gonna hit refresh. Actually, I'm gonna hit refresh again. I'm gonna go linked object. Now we've got an empty object. Cool, that's fine. We're gonna search for projects. Now this has come back and it hasn't filled up this yet. Okay, not a problem. What I want to do, I want to double check everything. Okay, just gotta wait a little while. There we go. Gonna hit refresh. Gonna go linked object. I'm gonna click on this. We're gonna ignore all that for the moment. Ooh. We've got a problem. We've got a couple of issues in here. One, property none was accessed during render but not defined on instance. We'll fix that up. All right, so we've got data object results. I'm just gonna comment out that line. Let's see what's gonna happen. Easy done. Waiting a couple of seconds, gonna hit reload. Link object, we're gonna go project. Now everything's working perfectly fine. So this dot object results, what's the object? All right, I'm gonna go to view and it's gonna take a little while for me to find this. Ah, it's right there. Perfect. All right. So the data, we've got the object model is project. It's going to be in lowercase. All right, not a problem. That should solve it. Fingers crossed. Famous last words, of course. Alright, we've done that. We're going to hit refresh. We're going to hit linked object. We're going to hit project. Boom. There's our data. This is what we want. Now, if I type in that, I realize that there's a couple of titles like that. If I type in 12, numbers won't work. Alright. Because I need more. Alright. Damn. If I type in arg, I need to get rid of that. So let's fix that up right now. And what do I do on this? So if I search for something, yeah, it's always under. So I am going to Alright, I don't need this if anymore. This becomes a really simple, so 109, 219. And then we've got the search. I'm going to clean this up. Alright, cool. So now we should get that search result. Refresh the wrong page. Alright, so now we should get it in here. So if we click on project, we've got all of that. And then what we want to do is arg monster and then perfect. Alright, so this is working how we want it to, and then we can click on this, it'll keep that in there, and then we just remove that and it'll go into here, and then if I go straight into tasks, alright, cool. I like this. It's easy, convenient. I might get rid of the search limitations on it. So what I mean by that is going down here under the watches and everything like that, we've got a check, this check. Actually, I can go or this dot search model is how do I do is number and is integer. Oh, lowercase. Ooh, alright. There we go, is integer, and what this will do is this will add a bypass. Again, being like, hey, if it is an integer, we just go straight ahead and search for it. So that's not going to be a problem. And remember, there is a delay with the search, so the search doesn't activate until you stop for about half a second. So if we go in here and we go, all right, we're looking for a project. We know what the project number is. Oh. Hang on. Console var a equals 4. Number is integer. That's a false. And hey, Cranberry Wine, how are you going? Hopefully you're going well. Welcome, welcome. I do hope you are enjoying my content. So, yeah. Ooh, I've got top chat on YouTube. Sorry, that's meant to be live chat. There you go. You going well? That's great to hear. So yeah, we're just building an open source project management system called NearBeach. So, yeah. And realizing that JavaScript says that ain't a number. So then I've got to parse int. Yay, JavaScript fun. All languages have these sorts of things to them, so it's not just JavaScript. So yeah, there we go. That hopefully will work now. So if I go refresh and I'm like, all right, cool. Actually, I gotta wait for it to do its compiling thing. And then I hit refresh. I'm like, all right, cool. Let's link object. Let's go project. I'm looking for project number 4. Oh, there's no project number 4. But there is. Oh. That might be a bug. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at that another time. But that would pick up on here too. So if I go in project and I search for project 2, it's not gonna do it because, yep. Oh wow, I just found another bug. All right. We are going to go and log that. Because if we actually go into localhost, also we go into our search and we search for 2. Yeah. All right. Searching for object by ID does not work. All right, cool. So method 1 login NearBeach. And because the good thing is, because we're using that class, that shared class, I fix it in one place and I'll fix it everywhere. So I'm only putting this one bug in. Log into NearBeach, go to the search for an ID of an object. I.e 123. Expected results. All objects with that ID are returned. Actual results, nothing is returned. Okay, cool. I don't know which piece of code I've got to fix up. No, this is also affecting the Kanban link wizard. All right, priority. I'm going to say this is a bit of a major one that we've got to fix. This is part of the search. Oh, I think we did. Oh, we're going to do a release soon anyway. All right, cool. Going back into this. So I'm happy with that so far. What we've now got to do is the rendering out. And the good news is we can copy what we did elsewhere because this is all built on using components and stuff like that. So going up here, oh, sorry, I'm going to double check this. I'm going to go click on link, new. And thank you very much for the follow, Cranberry Wine. So yeah, welcome. I'm going to double check, so new something link wizard, new, yep, alright, cool. So it is this particular one, we've got 3, it's the selected links. Down here, alright, sweet. So I just needed to find it with the row. That's all fine and dandy. It's the wizard results, which is what we want. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna copy. And then, yeah, we just need to paste it after this. Like so. So now I just need to wait just a little while. I've got to let it compile. And then what I want to do is I want to test it. So if we go project, we should get all the projects in here, easy done. And then when we tick them, we should be able to tick them. Now I'm going to have to fix these up very shortly, but that's not going to be a problem. We'll do that very quickly. And then what we want is, let's go only admin. Boom. All right, cool. So, oh, it's okay for you to shout out. Oh, nice of him. All right. There's a couple of things that we want to do with that we did in the new link wizard. So we're just going to go to the top. We're just going to go from top down. So we have a lot of these yellow warning I'm going to get rid of them. And then the only warning we get is some superficial sort of thing that's up here that doesn't appear on production. And that's the tiny mouse warning, which I can't do. I can't fix unless I go into tiny mouse's source code. But I'm not going to. Pronounce access during render, but not. All right, cool. Yep. So we're going to fix a lot of those. So we're fine with a lot of this, the template. So we're going to go all the way down to the script. So we're importing the same sort of things. I'm just going to neaten up the code. That's just me being pedantic. We're emits the new card. Yep, we know that we're emitting the new card. We've got the props. Now, that's one thing. No, there is a reason why we actually have the props in here like this, because these will be overrides. So yeah. Pretty sure I'm not using destination. All right, cool. So I'm happy with all of that. There's not going to be a problem. I'm going to double check if I'm actually setting that location ID. So we need new Kanban location ID. We are setting it. Okay, not a problem. And damn it, Nightbot, always landing. Okay, so we've got the computed. We've got a couple of extra stuff in here, which is perfectly fine. The root URL and the static URL, they're all in there. Yep. The data, so we've got current page. Is searching, we've got. Object model, we do have. Link model, we do have. Level and column ID, we need those extra fields. Come on, Ivanhoe Beta. Where did you land? Oh. Next time, Ivanhoe. We've got the object model. Yep. Object results. Yep. Object selection. Yep, that's stock standard sort of stuff. We can put it in that nicer sort of format because, yeah, it's not much, but that's fine like that. We've got the search model. Link model is up there. Yep. Number of pages, that's what we're missing. There we go. Search model, yeah, we've got down there, search timeout and style height. Now that is something we're gonna implement in very quickly. So what actually happens is if I hit refresh on the wrong page, actually no, I'll hit refresh on this page. I can explain it on this page because these are very, very similar. I'm gonna bump this off to the right. And I'm going to put the network on throttling in a second. So if I put it on very slow and I search into here QA team, you'll notice that for a fraction of a second, everything disappears and then it does this. Now, we also had the problem where if we change pages, because everything disappeared, the whole entire thing just went boop, and then everything popped back in, like boop, but your position on the board had moved in that time. So this style thing, it's temporarily put into here and updated so that that doesn't happen. And we did it a couple of streams ago. So we'll need that. Methods, object model. That's watching. Yeah, because we've got... Yeah, I like my watch before... Sorry, I like my watch before the methods. It's just a little tiny thing. That, yeah. So, I'm not... You've got new card location, object model, search model. That's pretty much the same. Everyone's happy with that. We've got the change page. We've got the get classes. We've got the get objects. Now this is where we've got probably something different. Handle the relationship field. We don't need to handle any relationship with this particular one. This is why this. There's a reason why this code is similar but different. So yeah, this is searching. All right, cool. And then we've got the next tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we've got this in where we sort of set the style height afterwards. So after we've done a search, I think that's handle relationship we're not using. Save links are all the same. Yeah, I think that's it. So if we wait a couple of seconds, go back here, make sure I'm not throttling on there, but I'll be fine over here. If we go link object and I go project and I scroll down, now I don't have a lot of projects. Now we should be having, I think I've forgotten one thing. I've got to get all of this data. All right. This dot number of pages equals response dot data. We've got this dot object model dot to lowercase. I'm just number of pages. Tell you what. Done. Easy. Just gonna hit refresh. There it is. All right, so this is the bug we were having before. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the network, I'm going to throttle it down. So we want to go to number 2. Yeah. Because we haven't put the thing in. All right, not a problem. So we scroll up. What is the class called? The class is called search links. No, it's right there. Alright, so we've got this. What we're going to do is we're going to have ID equals select underscore links. We've got our class as a row, and then we're going to vbind in our style equals style height in here, like so. Easy done, not a problem. So we go back here, we're waiting a couple more seconds, and we're going to hit refresh. I'm not worried about that because I accidentally kept it on throttle. We're going to hit that, we're going to hit project, we're going to hit, ooh. We are still, that's ugly as hell. Great. I'm just going to scroll all the way down. That's handle a relationship. We've got save links. At the end of save links, we've got shrink the style height. And what we're going to do is we're going to search for everywhere we set style height. We forgot to set it as nothing. Easy done. So instead of get objects, we go up here, oops, right down here, get objects. So pretty much right about here, we want to set style height as nothing. So this dot style height equals nothing, easy done. We wait a little while. We hit refresh, we're gonna link objects, we're gonna hit project, boom. And then when we change pages, still doing it. We do it inside the thing, oops. Yeah, I just put it in the wrong spot. Happens all the time. So that should be ready. Gonna hit refresh. I realize I put it on the wrong throttling. Gonna have to stop and refresh again. Ooh, ads. All right, welcome everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. Yeah. So, for those on YouTube, we run ads on Twitch every half an hour, so no one gets any pre-rolled ads. The ads go for 1:30. So yeah. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do that. Okay, do. And there's a cube that has been solved. All right, where are we with time? Still 40 something seconds left to go. All right, I know someone sent me a text. I'm just going to quickly respond. All right. Okay, cool. Someone sent me a text about the chilies I grew. They are really spicy. So, yeah, I'm happy with them. But yes, they are spicy. So, yeah. 2 more seconds. All right. And welcome back, everyone. So, we are going to hit refresh. We're going to hit link object, and we're going to hit project. We're then going to hit number 2, number 3, number 2, number 1, and perfect. We do have the flash of them disappearing and reappearing, but hey. We are back, fortunately, yes. Yeah. So yeah, I run the ads so no one has pre-rolled ads, and yeah, I'll do the ad time whenever the ads come on. So yeah, I try my best. There's been a couple of times I've been hyper-focused and the ads have played. I do apologize then. So we've got all of that. If we tick what we need, so we're adding project 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 400. We need project. Okay. Thank you. It wasn't my idea. I nicked it from somewhere else. All right, save links. So on the save links, we go all the way down. So it's saying that we're missing project. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to that. Quite false though. And yeah, when I move to the API and stuff like that, I'll actually make a lot of this a lot easier. Yeah. So a bit of a stretch then. Okay. So it's coming back. This project's not filled out, but we filled it out here with all of this data. So let's have a look. So setting up data set, this object model lower. Yep, cool. And then link model. All right. So before it was one project at a time. You weren't able to select a multiple of them. That's easy to do. We're going to keep that single select for the moment. It is something we might want to revisit later and be like, no, we want to include the ability to include multiple of these. We just need to fix up the backend to accept that. So I am looking for that, and I want to call it a radio. And then we just wait a few seconds. And presto, and then we can go save changes. And there it is. And this is now blocked. Smiley face. And I just whacked my funny bone. So yeah. That's that bug done. So in here, ready for retesting. We've got that one. So this is the new Kanban link wizard, needs pagination, move away from the table rendering. So we've done that. That's fixed. We're going to copy that. We're going to go over here. We're going to go remove static, and git status, and git add, git commit, bug fix, and then git push. All right, cool. Let's jump back into here. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't say fixed, I should be ready for retesting. Add object, wizard needs pagination, which is this one. This is add objects to sprint wizard. All right. Let's jump into here. Let's go find objects. Let's go to sprints. Let's open up a sprint. Let's add object to sprint. So yeah, we just need pagination for this one. I'm just looking at the time. This is something new we've done recently too. So if we have a look at the request, maybe not. Okay. I'm just thinking whether or not to pass this on for another day, and we can fix that other issue we found today. Because this is fine if we come back to this, because we are going to eventually add this particular sprint lookup into the class lookup also. So I'm going to move this on to the next version. It's fine. And then searching objects, you need to have one object have more than 25 objects at once. Log it to NearBeach and go to. Oh, this was. I think that was a dog. Hopefully it was. This is ready for retesting. So log into NearBeach, navigate to the search, navigate through multiple pages of the search item, tap back. Yeah, we've just done that. So we're quite happy with that one. So those are all ready for retesting. Where's that new one we just did today? So I'm going to click on this one. We're going to add it to this version, and we're going to fix it. And then, yeah, hopefully we get a release. We will today get a release. There's enough stuff in there for me to be like, yeah, we need a release. We also need to fix up the sprint functionality. All right. I am going to close all tabs. I'm going to open up this. I'm going to minimize all this. I'm going to go npm run watch. We are going to open up this. We're going to open up source. We're going to open up this. We're going to open up the network and, you know, delete all that cache. So we want to go into search. I'm going to go to. It's easy. Done. We want more curry. No, I shouldn't eat so much. We want views. We then want search. We then want view objects. And then what I want to do is I want to scroll all the way down here. And I want to click on this. Because we should be hitting this. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to put in 12. Now, we've hit this. String is 12. Is numeric? Yes. So the object name is going to be a request for change. So it should get the ID from that. And it should be 12. no, I see what's happened. It's either done this or and then this. Where this has got to be okay, I need to do a little bit more testing. I'm gonna go over here. Gonna open up a new thing. I don't know how we got into that. Let's just say that was a fat finger sort of thing. Those are fat fingers too. Source, then activate, and then I want to go Python 3 manage shell. Alright, cool. So we're in here now. So from NearBeach.models, import everything. We're going to have an A equals project.objects.filter where our project ID equals Bob. So, field project ID expecting a number but got Bob. Yeah. So it wants a number in there, like so. However, okay, I know how to solve this. So what I'm doing is now, because I want an or statement between those two, so the number could be in there in the title. I don't want to be like, all right, cool, we're not going to search the title because it's a number. So yeah, I want an or statement up there. And then essentially, I want that. All right. If the split row is a number, search both the title and object ID. Okay, cool. Otherwise, we're just searching the title. So I'm just going to wait a little while. I'm just going to send. I'm just going to type in 12. Done. Perfect. Easy done. So yeah, that will get up all of those. If I type in 5, it'll get out all of those. If I type in 2, it'll get everything with a project of 2. It won't accept something if I do something like that. I have not programmed it in to be that smart. So, we now need to do that with this particular one. So that's going to be easy. I'm just going to copy those 5. It'll make sense in a second what I'm doing. If split row is a number, search both the title and object ID. Easy done. All right, so I'm happy with all of that now. If we go into list all objects, we go into the Kanban board and we go link object and we're like, all right, cool. I actually only want project number 12. Boom. Easy. And then we get rid of that and then boom, data pops in. So getting out of this, remove static. we're gonna put this in as a bug fix. So this is now ready for retesting. This is definitely in our thing. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna go all the way over here. We're gonna paste that in, and we're gonna do a git push. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go to my current issues. I need to actually update. I need to update the NearBeach marketing site in a bit. I need to update how many, what versions we're on and all that kind of stuff. I've been a bit lax, so I do apologize. Yeah, it's been a lot of work. Alright, so we've got to improve the models piecewise structure one day. Actually, no, we will be improving it soon. That will happen on 0.32. Don't think we'll get to patch 100 on 31st branch. And hey, Cholo, how are you going? What have you been up to? Now, little surprise, I have a different cat at the moment. Socks is fine. Long story short, mum catched it astray, and I am looking after it for a bit, and then probably will have it. So, he's a bit iffy with treats at the moment. We'll see how it goes. And he's in the other room. So bear with me, I will be right back. I will get him. I'll put on the secret screen. This is Paddy. I'm gonna put him here. It's okay, Paddy. It's okay. It's okay. You want some treats? Do you want some treats? Alright, give me. Paddy. Alright, so you did get to see it. He's a bit shy at the moment. So, yeah, he's only been here just over 24 hours. Very camera shy. So, yeah, and he's actually extremely thin too. So, hopefully he'll warm up to me by tomorrow or in a couple of days. We'll give him time. He's allowing me to pick him up. But yeah, he'll go back into the bathroom and fall asleep in the bathroom instead of sleeping somewhere comfy. So, yeah. That, and he was hiding this morning. Is that Nightbot again? God damn it, Nightbot. Didn't bust. Alright, so what other bugs can we quickly fix in this? Because remember, we're going to be starting the API soon. It will be done in stages. And hey, Taku, how are you going? Hopefully you're going well. Yeah, good job, Nightbot. Yeah. Always taking that 99.24 spot. I'm glad it didn't land on 100. Search sprints functionality using old code. Tools, lookup functions. We want to, yes, so we still want to deprecate that code, but we can't at the moment. Oh, so close, Ivanhoe. So close. All right. We have new link wizard has screen moving issues when we select a different page. I think we actually fixed this one. Let's have a look. Users log into NearBeach. Users go to an object, i.e. project. Users try linking to another object. Yep, all right, this is fixed. So what that means is it's this one here. So if I scroll down, it moves up and down. Users select object type, navigate to another page, the modal stays the same size. Yep, all right, cool. So we actually fixed that one, but we'll push it through here. We'll be cheeky. You're good? Oh, that's good to hear. And hello, Cheryl Carrot. How are you? Welcome back, both of you. So, yeah. All right. I'm going to close that. Too many search objects will result in a lot of pagination tabs. We haven't solved this one yet. We need to figure out an elegant solution for this. So what will actually happen is the more pages, the more data we have, the more pages we'll have. We haven't actually set a sort of magical limit where some of those pages will disappear in here. And we haven't actually really tested it to see if Bootstrap does something automatically. So what I've got to do is quite literally put in a lot of data and test it, and I will be doing that shortly. It is one of those things I want to also test, is putting lots and lots of data into NearBeach and actually testing to see how it will work. So, yeah. All right, current issues. Kanban card does not ask user if they want to save when changing tabs. Yeah, we need to actually yeah, I'll need to fix that one up. I need to figure that one out. So, organization, UI, UX, the parent modules. Yeah, this is too clustered. I need to sort of ask around about that. Ooh. Log to NearBeach, navigate to organization, upload a profile picture that's too large. User gets a response why the image won't work. User just says there's an issue. Yeah, I need to figure that one out again. I mean, that might be fixable tonight. I got a minor one. Oh, deprecate node packages. Oh. Yeah, we definitely need to fix that. Okay, organizations, users not getting any feedback, why? All right, cool. So let's replicate this. Let's put it on mobile phone mode. Let's close this. Let's go, and we want to list organizations. Let's go this one. Let's upload a really big picture. So I'm just gonna go download. I'm thinking this picture is big. Sorry, we had an issue uploading the profile image. If I have a look at the code itself, it says bad request, file size too large. Sweet. So I need to key this little bit of data and put it into here. That's easy done. So I want to close all tabs. I want to minimize this. I want to open up this. I want to go open up source JavaScript components. And then what I want to do is, as part of organization information, organization information. Okay, so on upload, we do this action. Yeah, so we send stuff there. On finish, update profile, on error. All right, cool. Let's go to that implementation. I don't know if I can pass through data here, so I'm just going to put data and we're going to go console log data. And we're going to find out why, or if we can. Going to do a quick npm run watch. Okay. Cool, done. Go and close that. We're going to open, yeah, once again, we're going to do that. Now, we've got one of these file image too large. We should see a console. So we've got an object file. Oh, an event. Okay. We've got an event. And we've got a file. Those are the bits of data that I currently have. I don't see the response load in there. Length, cans, blah, 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 blah. Explicit origin, no, is trusted. Original target, race date, with credentials, source element, target. All right, original target. We've got bad request. Yep. Do we have the bad text response? Yes. Yes, we do. So what I want to do is I want to go set as a global variable is .temp0 .event dot. This was original target dot response. Or file size too large. All right, easy. So we're going to do that in a second. Once my desk has finished raising up, we do actually have an incoming ad break soon too. So all right. So we go over here. We're happy with this. What we're going to do is we're going to remove that. We're going to go let error equal data dot event original target response. Easy done. If error equals undefined or error equals nothing or error equals null, we're going to give it a default. I've been programming in .NET all day. So what we want to do is then error equals sorry, we had an issue uploading the profile image. It's done. Or error dot length. Oh no, that will be fine. And we've got an ad break. All right, cool. Ad time. How's everyone going? I hope you're going well on this Wednesday. I got a cycle tomorrow. Yeah, gotta leave poor old Paddy here by himself. So hopefully he gets climatized to more stuff in here. And yeah, I've got to find him the food he likes, like really, really likes. So I've tried a little bit of canned salmon. Not a fan. I might try fresh salmon, but first I want to try tuna. So I'll try tuna, and yeah, let's go from there. See what he likes. see what I can use to help fatten them up a little bit. So yeah. Alright, so what color will we do? Let's do green. I can do that there, easy. And then I can go like that, and like that, and like that. And then I just do something like that. And then I just do those. Like that, and then to the top, and almost done. There we go. All right. And welcome back, everyone. Did that just in time. And how are you? I am good, thank you very much. How are you, Sock now? Hopefully you're going well. So, yeah. We are making some headway here. We're fixing some issues and so forth like that. Yeah, getting rid of a couple of bugs. You're doing well. Doing some regex work. Oh, good luck. I suck at regex. Yeah. Some people it's really good. They are really good at it. Not me. Nope. Alright, bumping that off to the right. I'm going to upload the profile. Am I building? Yes, I am. I'm going to click on this. Boom. Sorry, you had an issue uploading the profile image. Oh. Alright. I'm going to go data event dot original target. Well, I'm kind of cheating though. Fair enough. Yeah, I use the online tools to help. So yeah. And Copilot, fair enough. Remember, it's just a tool. Alright, so we're clicking on this, So, file size too large is the error. And you know what? I'm having a moment here. I need to put it in there. I'm not blindly accepting the changes it makes, though. I am also, yes, definitely. Because I've come across so many hallucinations, it's not funny. Now, that being said, I use Umbraco a lot at work. And Umbraco has, between version 7 and 15, there's been a lot of changes. Especially 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Massive changes. So yeah, it hallucinates on a lot of things because it doesn't quite know what it's meant to do. Sometimes it gets towards the ballpark, but it's still not quite there. And that's why, yeah, okay, yep. Because NG gets a new version every 6 months. Oh, alright, fair enough. File size too large. Perfect. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off my the back end. File size too large. Yep. So it hasn't quite hit the back end, so I'm going to use the Joker. And then, oh, yikes. How many characters is that? I'll go 255. And bear with me, sorry, JavaScript length of a string. string length. I'm double checking that I've got this code right. String.length. All right. I didn't. I had it wrong. So yeah, we're going to do that very, very quickly. We're just going to wait a little while and we are going to hit refresh. We're going to click on update profile picture. We're going to do armed with calculators. And sorry, we had an issue uploading that. Yep, perfect. And yet if I put this back on and then re-upload, it uploads perfectly fine. All right, cool. So yeah, I'll send back a 255 character. Anything bigger than that, it's going to be like, nope. Error's going to be too large. But I think that's perfectly fine. All right. Set up the error from the response unless it is too large for a mobile screen, which it was before. So another bug done. So we're going to put this in this particular, we're going to put this in this particular version. We're going to remove static, get status, git add. And git push. All right. Sweet. Okay, this one's done. My current issues with one, if we do the priority ones first. So we've got strengths functionality using alt code. Yeah, we want to get rid of that pretty shortly. Specifically before we implement the API. And deprecated node package used in NearBeach. Now, when was that one? That was the 17th of February, so a couple of weeks ago now. Let's have a look. So we're going to our package log. But what uses this? Oh, sorry. Oh, bit of a yawn. Alright, sorry, this is a bit boring. I've got a... My God. Coding is never boring, fair enough. It is when you're trying to search for whatever this is. Yeah, whatever is using this. And by golly, there's a lot in here. What uses it? Alright. NPS LS graceful. Oh, yep. Oh, ew, all right. Alright. I'm not worried about that. Alright. Go over here, and I'm going to write in notes in here. This will be part code, so boom. Boom. Alright, this is a terminal. You know what? Auto detect. I'm fine. JS DOM, eh? Am I using that? I am. Okay. Okay, we can do this. We can upgrade quite a lot of these. As for JS DOM, current 22.1, latest is 26. Okay, we can update it. npm install JS DOM at 26.0.0. It's probably going to break something. I forgot how to put it in the dev. Cool. Luxon 3.5. All right. Outdated, we'll check every module defined in the package.json and see if there's a newer version in the npm repository. And Scotty B, how are you? How are you going? I'm going good. I have been eating some dragon's breath. And I love it. So yeah, it's taken me nearly 18 months to actually grow the plants to get it to fruit and stuff like that. And I was so happy when it started fruiting, and yeah, and it is spicy. I love it. To update all dependencies if you can't npm update. All right, cool. Let's break some stuff. Oh wait, did I push my changes before? Ah, yeah, I did. Pretty good. Need a little break from Rust. Started learning Haskell. Oh, fair enough. Fair enough. How is Haskell going? Is it your Haskpal? That was terrible. That was absolutely terrible. I love it though. Interesting. Not as terrible as people say. Ah, fair enough. I have not used it before. So, yeah, Wiki, Haskell. It sounds like an old programming language. Yes. Yes, it is. Alright, cool. Stable release. 14 years ago. Preview release. Oh, alright. Alright. Module main where? Oh, well, alright. One day I'll get around to playing with it. Ooh, hold on. Added 27 packets, remove 14, change 72 packets, in 37 seconds. We've got 94 packages, are looking for funding. Yep, 8 moderate, severe vulnerabilities. Let me an audit for details. Oh. Fix available. Alright, npm audit fix force. Okay, npm run prod. It's purely a functional language. Oh, fair enough. I don't think I've played around with a functional language before. I should give it a shot. I should learn it. Alright, so first things first, npm run e2e. So we're running our end-to-end tests. Everything's broken. Ah, that's why. Alright, not a problem. Not a problem. We just do that. And hope I don't break anything more. Which, we all know I will break a lot of things. So, yeah. Just doing that. Okay. Sorry, it's downloading everything. Hopefully everyone's going well. I am hoping Patty has eaten the treats. So I did give Patty the treats. Alright, so everything's down. We're now running the tests. This is looking a lot better. That's a Firefox thing. And then I'm going to do a proper shakeout test too. Because we've updated quite a lot of packages. That being said, hopefully nothing's broken. Alright, we do have some things broken. If we go in here, we only have 3 failed. Alright, so notification information, we know why that's failed. Alright, and that's because it no longer exists there. I deleted it. In fact, if we go into localhost right now, go into our admin, go into our notifications, go into the very first one, and we go is deleted off, and we do that, and then we go back here and we rerun it. It's going to work. Now, one thing which is sort of, we are no longer getting the tiny mouse issue, which is nice. They have moved on to that person. I am alright, cool. Sorry, I was just fixing that up. So we've run 380 tests, we've passed everything. So if we go back here, we do a refresh. Oh, it's not running the report because we passed everything. Sweet. I'm going to keep the server running. I'm just going to go localhost 8000. I'm going to open up this, put it onto the left. I'm going to have the console open. Notice how we got rid of all the yellow and red text. Oh, there's some yellow text. I don't know where that's coming from. Ah, tiny mouse. Alright, not a worry. Not a worry. But we're no longer getting the other tiny mouse things in there. So that's nice. What version of tiny mouse did we end up going with? Tiny mouse is okay, it's still the same one, but 771. All right, I'm happy with that. We've got a lot of changes. Okay, I do still want to do a quick shakeout sort of test. Nothing too hard. Nothing, pretty sure everything was working before. Yeah, we've got some of those. Yep, that's fine. If I go down here, npm run unit test. I'm running the unit test locally too. Oh wow, we've got a lot of test files. And when we go onto the 032 branch, what's actually going to happen is those number of files that are going to increase. We're actually also going to be doing quite a lot more with the tests, especially with the unit tests. We want to make sure everything works. Waiting for files to change. Oh, sweet. It passed everything. Nope, I'm happy. Cool. And then I want to do source VM bin activate. I want to do Python 3 manage test. And we're going to do the Python unit tests here. And also, once again, when we go onto the 32 branch, we'll be adding in a lot of unit tests and so forth like that. Now, we do have an error. Not a problem. Let's figure out what the error is and fix it. Looks like it's just the one. So, all right, Kanban linked list. It's because we've actually made a change. We've got to implement that change in the test itself. So, because the business logic changed, the test business logic should also change. Specifically, the data around that business logic. That's pretty easy to sort of set up. So, what we want to do is we want to go into NearBeach tests, test user permission, and then test redirect of non-logged in users. And it should only be the one fail. Yep. All right. I'm just going to close all these. Yeah, because now if we, so I just need to double check the URL for this. So we go link list. We're heading this one. Kanban information. Linked list. Kanban linked list. All right, and we're no longer having project in there. If you made a language that was a combination of Rust and Haskell, would you call it Russell or Rascal? Oh, I'm gonna say Rascal because I'm pretty sure I was very rascally as a kid. I mean, both very good names. If considering it is autumn right now here, Russell makes a little sense too. So yeah. All right, let's do this. I'm not worried about those warnings. We just ignore them, like always. All right. Oh, sorry, a bit of a yawn. All right, cool. Everything ran perfectly fine. So yeah, once again in 032, we're going to be running a lot of unit tests. The reason being is we kind of want to start aiming for a. We want to get out of alpha and out of beta and all that kind of stuff. Pay attention to the man behind the curtain. Yeah. All right, so that is all done. If we go git status, you want to go git add everything and then git commit we're going to do a release. So what we want to do here is we want to release 0.31.63 plus updates to npm packages. Alright, cool. So in here, we actually fixed this. This should all be fixed now. So we're doing that. I'm going to go cancel. I'm going to add in a comment in here being like, we used the npm upgrade function. I should just do it like this. Not function, console command to update all npm packages. So this should update those sub packages. Alright, cool. Easy done. So this is no longer submitted, it's ready for retesting. Which means we've got 7 that we've done in here, which is nice. Current issue should go down to 8. Sweet. This has been pushed up. So now, just closing a bunch of tabs. Going to NearBeach itself. We've got the develop. We're going to do a compare and pull. So in here we are going to go bug fixes. We've also got to do features. So what are the features? Improvements to the Kanban link wizard. Alright, easy. Alright, bug fixes. Gonna go in here, we're gonna go to this one. We're gonna do it by ID. So we're just gonna click on this. We're gonna copy this. Sorry, this is just the stock standard. We're just gonna and I know that we're going to hit an ad break any second now. Alright, cool. I'm going to write this out a little better. So this should be improvements to the Kanban link wizard users. Module now contains pagination for and live search. Easy done. Let's create pull request. I'm hoping I just didn't send through a console log somewhere. And welcome back. Oh, God, I did too. Sorry, I put in a console log. It's not going to hurt anyone at all. It's just going to annoy people if they know it's there. So yeah, I've just done another push. However, it's fine. It won't affect the release whatsoever. I mean, we can cancel the pull request easily, then do another pull request. Not worth it. So yes. So what we're going to do, instead of just push it and then hopefully no one notices at all. So, yeah, don't go looking for it. Yeah, we just got to fix that. That's all done. That's all fixed. It'll be out in the next release. Once we do a release, I want to have a look at deep source, make sure that we're keeping on top of that. So, yep. Now, considering we've just done massive sort of upgrades and stuff like that, we did do a refresh of the NearBeach base Docker this morning. So, yeah, everything should be up and running. We should also have a look at our security stuff. So, yeah. I'm just wondering what to do in the next sort of hour. And welcome back, everyone. There we go. Yep. Yeah, little grumpy Max there being like, All right. So I'm happy with this. That's still. Ooh, this is all new. That's still all running. I'm gonna merge bypass rules and merge in. Yeah, I'm the reviewer. So yeah. Okay, one thing I didn't do, that. And, yeah, that's still work in progress. As for the issues, we did, yeah, I'm gonna have to close some of these, because they're for Hacktoberfest and, yeah, they just need to be closed. Bypass rules, yeah, I'm naughty. I'm very, very naughty. If there were more devs on this, then I wouldn't do that. Alright, 0.31.63. 0.31.63. Alright, this is set this for release. Correct, yep. Alright, I'm very happy with this. Let's publish. Okay. All the borrowed words, and I want to get all the words that are not in English so I can separate them all. Oh wait, hang on, I need context. Sorry, I'll read the other comment first. The reason why I'm doing this work is I'm trying to get all the cognates that are in Spanish and English, and I want to get all the borrowed words, and I want to get all the words that are not in English so I can separate them all. Good luck. English is a it does look festive in the. All right, just wait. Nope. Oh, I can't take a screenshot. It disappeared. Damn it. All right. Sorry, I was going to take a screenshot. All the borrowed words and stuff like that. English is horrible because a third of the words that are in English come from French, and it's just made up of other different words and stuff like that from other languages here and there. And yeah, I don't like English. I'll do it again soon. We'll take a screenshot and we'll have to put it on his Discord. Alright, so this has been released, which means we've got actions going. I see 2 security things. Give me a second. I'm just having a look at the security stuff. We should have fixed them. Alright. Last scan done on the 28th. Data configuration action workflow file not found. No longer exists. Hang on. Oh, it doesn't either. Oh god. When did that get deleted? Okay. All right. Just some things I gotta fix up like that. I can do that another day. Cause yeah, I thought I had the. Yeah, that third from French and that third from Latin is what I'm after. Fair enough. I have a large hole in my roof right now. I'm hoping that's a metaphor hole, and not a literal hole in your roof. Alright, so GitHub workflows. Yeah, we're missing the other workflows. So if I duplicate this tab, and I go to NearBeach Docker. Not a metaphor. Oh, damn. I'm hoping it's not raining. And also, how did you get a hole in your roof? Alright, so if I go NearBeach security, oh. Oh. I can't do anything about that. Huh. Yeah, alright, I can't do anything about that. You gotta go. Anyway, thank you very much, Ivanhoe. Have fun, and I shall see you next stream. So yeah, thank you for coming by. Alright, he'll be making, oh wait. I have a large hole in my roof right now, not a metaphor. My contractor is putting in an eyelet and windows. Oh, nice. He'll be making another one later this week. Alright, so they're gonna be okay holes. So yeah, I was thinking the worst, like a tree branch fell on your roof and it shattered a bunch of tiles, and now you got a hole there. So yeah. Alright. So going with this, I'm happy with that for the moment. We can't do anything about the security. The actions, that's running through. That's perfectly fine. We're happy with that. Let's jump over here. Let's no, but we had some wicked wins recently. Ooh. All right. Hopefully you get those filled in soon. So, yeah. Which reminds me. Oh, so our wind's going southerly, I think. All right. All right. I don't know the one which I actually do. I just wanted to look at the wind tomorrow. Alright, all of these are fixed. So now we go into, we do this, we change that to a 5. Yep, and we go update query, we click on this, we change that to a 5, we just go save, so that's done. We go up here, we go custom fields. Sorry, this is all administration stuff. We click on the version, we want to show release. We've just released that and we archived it. Alright, cool. So, we definitely got to get up to 70 with this, because the API, will create the API in bits and bobs, and we'll slowly get that released. thinking other things too. So that should happen. Okay, that's going to take half an hour to release. I'm going to have a quick look at the current issues. So we've got 2 that need to be done next time. Organizations users not getting any feedback when uploading. The phone isn't working. Oh, whoops. This was actually done on, damn it. All right. And hey, Void Chaos, how are you going? Hopefully you're going well. Okay, so I've done something stupid. This is meant to be on the previous version, the release we just did. Oh, you got it. All right, see ya. Yep, all working. All right, cool, awesome. All right, I've got to undo something very, very quickly. I'm gonna fix this up. All right, we're going back into the issues. Current issue. I can't believe I did that. That should be 63. I'm going to copy this. I need to actually put it into... I don't like doing this. What number is it? 511. Oops. And hopefully I can do that for the release. Oh, I should also hit that, because it generates stuff. And I don't know if that will... Alright, cool. It looks like it hasn't run a secondary one, which is good, because that one will fail. Alright, so we have the deploying status happening. We've done this, we've done that, we've got this out. I've now got to update our releases and stuff like that. So current bugs, that's actually 8. How many do we have ready for this one? We've only got 1 at the moment. Let's jump into here. Let's prioritize by major. Let's do... That one's fixed. Sprints using old code. Alright, that's going to annoy me very, very quickly. I know I'm going to make a mistake, so I'm going to... do that. Alright, so we've got those 2. Improved module structure. Once again, we're not doing it straight away. That will actually happen soonish. Once again, that will happen when we move to the 032 code, stuff like that. So I'm not putting 032 in the version list at the moment, and the reason being is I just don't want to. I don't know how many more releases we'll actually attempt in the 031 branch. So I don't want it sitting in there for ages. Too many search results, objects, and a lot of pagination tabs. We want to have a look at that in the next one. Kanban card does not ask if the... Alright, we'll probably have a look at that one in the next one. And I'm going to say that's it for that. Organize the UI, yeah, because I need help with that one, and I need to do some funky stuff with this one. So, yeah. Okay. So that's what we're planning so far. So we've got 4 bugs in the to fix next time. These haven't changed much, and we're hoping... Actually, no, I should double check them. Oops, wrong tab. I need to go to not code coverage. I need to go to blah 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 blah. What is it? What am I using? Circle CI. All right. Success. All right. Cool. Up by 40% time. Yeah, that's fine. Going into here, we're going to go into the artifacts. We're going to find the index. We're going to click on this. This is for the front end. I forgot what number we're picking. Code. Front end. Alright, so it's dropped down, I'm going to say to 28. That's not what we want, but these things happen. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. I don't know, I wonder why it's dropped down. Okay, it's dropped down because it's actually doing quite a lot of this stuff which we don't test. We only want to test all this stuff. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that is not code coverage, Circle CI. We're clicking on this one again, so I need to fix up the front end testing and so forth like that. Because yeah, we shouldn't be testing against everything. It's only in the source file that we should be testing. And it's certain files, not everything. So, yep. This one should have artifacts. Once again, we just need the index. And this one at the bottom, 65. So we've gone down, but that makes sense. We've added in new functionality, and we haven't added in any tests around it. So hopefully when we sort of do these sort of tests, we can do them. Yeah, so for the testing of the classes, I'll have to do some mocking. Actually, no, because we've got the fixtures, we can easily test the classes without a problem. So I am looking forward to that. So yeah, these have gone down, but we can get them back up. And I'm hoping in the 032 we get them up to about 90% or close to, because that's when I start getting happy that NearBeach is going to work when we deploy stuff. So yeah. Anyway, the latest version, yeah, we haven't updated this in a month. 63 as of the 5th of March. And we're just going to hit save. So we're quite happy with that. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. If we do coverage, yeah, we're missing get frequency, attributes, all this stuff. It's pretty easy to do. What we need to do is we've got to call it. And when we call it, we've just got to check the values that come out. So, yeah. All right. Deep source, eh? Let's see how my code's going. Because I think I've added in some dodgy stuff that I've got to have a look at. So I've got to do this just in case it sneaks out my phone number or anything really crazy like that. Oh god, the duck is waving at me. Alright, cool. Easy! So we're clicking on NearBeach. It was updated 18 minutes ago. We have... Ooh... We've got some, if we have a look at the overview, yeah, all right, we should get that back down to 12. Let's do alt issues. Let's sort for the most frequent. Oh, all right, autofix. Autofix. All right, cool. Highly likely that I've stopped using something and I just haven't cleaned up the function. Okay, whilst that's doing that, I'm going back. Again. Okay, come on, show me potato salad. There you go. So issues, all issues, sort by the most frequent up to the top, because I want to check this one first. So I'm going to open that in a new tab. Comparing to literal, I'm going to open that up in a new tab. You always use key with v4. Oh, yes, we should be doing that. Should be opening that in a new tab. Disallow unnecessary vbind directives. I'm having a look at that. Read definition bound for built-in functions. I'm going to have a quick look at that. Avoid attributes with alright, yep. And that's pretty easy to do. Alright, those can get auto fixed. Autofix. Ah, don't say that autofix isn't working. Alright. If not, exclude destination is and not edit. Alright. Yeah, that is confusing. Comparing an object literal to a literal is always something you do not want to do, since you can compare to a different literal that what was expected altogether. Alright. So. Okay, hang on. I'm going to find out if Python is string not null. So in .NET, there's a little thing called string is null. Empty strings are falsely on Python 2 references, which means they're considered false in Boolean context. So you can do something like if not my string. So if I go over here, I go A equals string. If A, print A. Alright, cool. If A equals none, if A, print A. If A, print A. Print suck. Alright. So A equals string. Alright, so yeah, we've got a better way of doing this. So what I want to do is I want to select all of this, go copy. I'm going to go to our code. I want to be like this. I want to find this. And we've got it in two places. And what I want to do is I want to comment out that one line. I want to go if exclude destination. Ah, whoops. And exclude location ID. Oh, alright. Okay. So that should now work. If exclude destination and exclude location ID. Okay. So we got that one. How many times is this in here? So we should have just fixed that one. I think this is happening a couple of times. So we've just fixed that one. So I'm just gonna copy that. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go git status, git add, git commit code smell fixes. Git push. All right. So that code smell should go. That should go. And then elements in iteration expected to have vbind key. Oh yeah, alright, cool. Yeah, this is, oh, adds on. Okay, so yeah, that will be an easy fix. Yeah, I reckon we can get some of these code smells out tonight. They're not going to make any changes to the functionality of the code in the sense that it's just cleaning up the code. It will work exactly the same. So yeah, we won't need to do a release for these. They're just mainly there. You should always go in and sort of fix up code and make it readable. Readable code is a lot better to develop it. Sorry, I should really finish my sentences. I just got distracted with the cube. All right, so. And there's the queue. Solved! Yay! I should get the 4x4 out again. Start doing that one again. So, yeah. Alright, we've got about 15 seconds left on the ads. And then, yes. Car. Yep, done. Workstation. Welcome back, everyone. So, we're going to find these lines on the link new wizard. Alright, so it's in 2 different places, and we just need a vbind key. Classes, eh? Number of pages. Vbind key is just going to be the index. It's just that simple. Cool. That should be that. So we should hit most of those. So what I'm going to do, once again, I'm going to copy this, find it, because then I can ignore all of these ones. And then we're going on to page 2. And I can ignore that one too, because I've just done it. All right, cool. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go git status, git add, git commit. Bug, sorry, not bug, code smell fixes. We're going to paste that in, and we're just going to do another push. Very quick and easy. So we've just done that one. Hopefully that brings, what was the first one? I think 6 and 6 to 12. That one we've just had a look at. Unexpected vbind with string literal value. Oh yeah, we don't need any of that. Alright, what actually happens is we don't need to vbind a string in there. We just do that. Alright. So, once again, git status, git add, git commit. Code smell fixes. Git push. Okay. So we've fixed up that one. These two are still running. It might be one of those sort of cases that I just do this manually. Yeah, I'm just gonna do them manually. That's fine. Redefining built-in object. I'm going to say Yeah, I might need to rename these particular fields. I'll keep this one open. Alright, let's go back to issues. Let's go all issues. Search by the most frequent, because we know the first two are what we need to fix. Alright, so these two import names not used in anywhere. Alright, we're going to go through this one very, very quickly and this one very, very quickly. We can knock out 40 easily tonight, plus the ones which we've just knocked out. So we've got the 6, the 5, so that will be 51. Looking for the main project for... the main page for the project is the tool live. When you mean live, you'll be able to self-host it. So, we're not hosting. Yeah, it's self-hosted. We don't have any money or any ways of hosting it ourselves and stuff like that. So, yeah. It's quite easy to, if you know Docker, it's very easy to sort of get up and running within 5-10 minutes. So, yeah. We've also got documentation. That has a little bit more information. So, yeah. Otherwise, we're actually using it right now for development of NearBeach, and I do know that there are a few other people who are. So, yeah. And we have a Discord if you need any help or got any recommendations, or if you find any bugs or any issues. So, yeah. Alright, unused Kanban board in NearBeach.modules, so Kanban link list.py. So I'm going to minimize everything. This will be view search. And I just need to remove what we're not using. Easy. This is views, search views. Yeah, we've got a few in here. That's good. Got a number of search views, so we're gonna skip a couple of these. Alright. Search view, search view, search view. We now have Kanban view. We're not using the user group or anything else. Alright, cool. Oh. Oh, we're not using Q. We're definitely using F. Kanban view. Kanban view. Yep. Import search views. I don't see any other ones that are commented out. Search view, search view, search view, Kanban view, Kanban view. I think this is doubling up quite a lot of these problems. Let's go to the last page. Search views, we're done. Get chart views. Value is not used. Sprint object assignment is not used. And these should be like this, and we need to put them in alphabetical order. LMNOP, Q, oops, R, S, T, V, there we go. Press that off. Get chart views, yep, we've done that. Get chart views, we've done that. Scotty B's going for the snow pile again. Search views, search views, search views, search views. All right, cool. So I'm gonna have to push all of these because I think I got all of them. So git status, git add, git commit. Code smells, fixes, paste that. Code smell fixes. How do I edit the get message? Cool. Sweet. Oh, and Scotty B, you got it. Alright. No, it just wants... Oh, that's dangerous. Oh. It's because I was on Mac mode. Ah, damn it. Missed it again. Alright, so I've just pushed that one. This one's pretty easy. This is the commented out code on the test redirection of non-logged in users. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to open up this. I'm going to open up the NearBeach test. Not specific bugs, permissions, this particular thing. And then what we're wanting to do is we just want to get rid of some of this commented out code. I think that was it, really. Kanban views. NearBeach views, Kanban views. We want 113. Yeah, we don't need that. Test. We've done that one. Test redirection of non-logged in users. Yeah, we did that one. 230 and 201, 230, 201, yep. I think this has been doubling up. Damn Mac OS. Yeah, I put the keyboard into Mac OS when I'm working and stuff like that because that's what I have at work. Yeah, I think this is doubling up quite a lot of these issues. So, yeah, there's not much I can do here. Let's see, 113, 113, 113, 113. Yeah, alright. So, going up here, we're going to copy this. We're going to go git status, git add, git commit. And then I'm going to go fix code smells. And we're going to push. All right. So in theory, if I click on NearBeach itself, I'll go back home. Recent activity, 3 minutes ago. We're going to see that now analyzing 2 runs at the moment. We're going to see this number drop. We definitely fixed up a number of these issues, and a lot of these issues are duplicated. So if we go all issues, we sort for the most frequent. Yeah, we up down to 32. All right, sweet. And a lot of these are one-off things, which is perfectly fine. Most frequent, come on, up the top. So use shorthand property syntax for object literals. Oh yeah, we can do that. So yeah. Alright. I think I'm done there for tonight. We've done a release. Hey, the release is out and stuff like that. I am going to update my production version to it. So yeah, let's raid someone. All right. Yep. Zero Day is currently doing stuff, so yeah, let's raid Zero Day. Anyway, thank you very much everyone for coming tonight. It has been wonderful. We got a lot done. We got another release done. So Friday, I will start working on the API, which is going to be awesome. I just need to figure out what we want to do for stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3 types of situations, because I won't be able to do it all at once. So yeah, thank you very much everyone for coming, and I do hope you enjoy 0 Day's stream. So yeah, thank you very much, and yeah, have fun. And thank you very much for those on YouTube. Sorry you can't tag along, but thank you very much for being there.